business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? You already know how it go. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, man. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you don't know, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. If you guys hear my windshield wipers, because it's raining, all right? It's out here raining in Philly, all right? I had to actually bring you guys this video and I had to share with you guys something that just happened to me recently, and yeah, we gotta talk about it. Because one of y'all gonna learn from this, okay? And you know, I'm licking my lips and stuff. I'm like, let me put some Blistex on. You know, well, some Carmax, you know what I mean? I don't do Blistex. But, y'all, so tell me how, okay? As you see in the title, I brought an Apple Watch, Series 8, 45 millimeter, right? Cellular. Okay? It's right here. Brought it. I instantly regret it. You heard me right. I instantly regret it. Now, why do I instantly regret it? I'm gonna tell you guys. But first, I want to say this. If you guys are looking to learn how to flip electronics online, man, you guys can go to IamHustlersMindset.com and you can go ahead and actually access my courses, okay? I lowered the price on my course actually because I got a DM on Instagram from somebody that actually was consistent, okay? They were consistent and they really wanted to buy the course. I ended up giving them the course for $60. So for right now, the course is $60 because if I'm gonna do it for one person, I'm gonna do it for everybody. And I wanna make sure that I give you guys the opportunity to get it. It is the MERCARI 101 Masterclass. It's one of my newest courses. And of course, we have the phone flipping course up there as well. That is reinvented as well. We put more trending topics on there for you guys to learn about. So check that out as well. Now, back into the meat and potatoes. I brought this phone, okay? If y'all see me looking, it's because I'm driving. I brought this freaking watch, okay? And this freaking watch is literally going to cost me $400. It's literally going to cost me $400. And the reason it's going to cost me $400 is because the freaking watch is locked. But let me tell y'all the story. I'm going to tell y'all the story, okay? Boom. In one of my stores, customer comes in, they purchase a iPhone 14 Pro Max 128, and they purchase a watch, okay? They purchase this watch, all right? They purchase it. And this is about maybe 3 months ago, okay? They purchase it, everything's good with them, they're happy, right? Long story short, we do sell service. As you guys know, if you've been watching me, we have a contract. We sell service in my store. So we're selling the service, and I guess the lady was not happy with the particular service. Service has nothing to do with my store as far as literally like the service. Like I can't make your 5G better. You know, I can't do certain things, you know, when it comes to the service. I don't have my own cell phone service yet. So I can't do much, right? So, lo and behold, I go and do a store visit. Go into one of my stores, do a store visit, and it's a Apple Watch sitting in the back. Apple Watch sitting in the back. So I'm like, all right, what is this Apple Watch sitting in the back doing, right? Tell me how the customer, I guess, from 3 months ago wanted to just drop the watch off because she didn't want to pay on it anymore, right? She didn't want to pay the cell phone plan, so she dropped it off. I called her, told her she can't do that, so she came and picked it back up. Then as she came and picked it back up, I was still in the store. She says, well, would you buy it from me? She knows that I buy phones and stuff. I'm like, well, you know, I could buy it from you if that's what you wanted to do. She says, yes, she wants to sell the watch to me. So I said, okay. She said, how much would you offer? All right. I said $400, okay? I said $400. don't judge me, you know, just don't judge me, all right? So I said $400. What I was thinking is, okay, I'll be able to go ahead and I might not make the initial $400 back, but whoever I sell this watch to and they get the service, it would just equate to $400, if that makes sense. So I'll sell the watch for like $350, then they'll get the service, that's the activation fee, you know what I mean, $50, that's $400, plus them paying their first month service, it's $80. So I'll come off on a good $480 profit, right? That's my thought, right? My thought process, okay? You with me? My thought process. So then, as I go, and she's talking to me, just explaining to me why she wants to return it and the hardships that she's having and stuff like that, I'm listening, we chopping it up, and then she ends up leaving, right? But one thing is missing out of the damn story. One thing. You wanna know what's missing out of the story? You wanna know what's missing? Y'all wanna know? Y'all wanna know what's missing? I didn't have her delete the damn watch. I didn't have her delete the watch. So, boom. I go outside, once I see, I'm like, oh snap, the joint's still locked. Cause it was dead. I charged it up, I'm like, oh snap, the joint's still locked. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just go and, you know, call her, she'll come up, you know what I mean? We was just talking, we're homies, you know? Tell me how this girl did not answer my call, y'all. She still ain't answering my call. So after I turned that watch on, I instantly lost $400. Instantly. Now, here's the thing. What are my options? And if you find yourself in this type of situation, this is what I want to tell you. You find yourself in a situation where you have a locked device, okay? I would absolutely, positively check to see if I can get it unlocked first, right? As y'all see, passcode, right? And I don't know the damn passcode, okay? I don't know the passcode, okay? So I would see if I can get it unlocked, right? If you can't get it unlocked, which the way Apple Watches work, the only way I know how to get them unlocked is I need the phone. I need that phone to get unlocked. Like I don't know another way. So, you know, my ass is grass. I'm trying to turn it off while driving. Okay, there we go. My ass is grass, you know what I mean? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell it to a buyer. Now I just gotta find, which I have contacts to buyers that are gonna buy an iCloud locked Apple Watch Series 8 45 for at least $200, and I do have a buyer that does that. So if you're somebody that buys something that is locked, don't panic, okay? It happens to the best of us, and I'm sharing the story with you guys because I want you guys to, again, see my ups and downs and see when I do dumb stuff, and I did something stupid, okay? I brought this watch for way more than what I should have over sympathy. I should not have been feeling any type of sympathy for this lady. When it comes to business, there's no emotions, there's no feelings, okay? When it comes to business, we're here to do business, all right? People DM me all the time asking me, and I know I said that I did a deal for a guy, right? That was about 3 weeks ago, right? And I did that deal for him because he was so consistent, and I just remember me being that type of person where it's like, oh, I will invest, you know, but I don't have all of that, you know? And I sympathize with that. But I get a lot of DMs asking me for like deals, discounts, and stuff like that. And it's like, if I did honor that with everyone, I would have to do it with everyone, because I'm not just gonna do it for one person. And the thing is honestly, y'all, we all lack in some type of way sometimes, and we all get caught slipping like a transmission. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to sell this to a buyer and just recuperate our bread that way and take that loss. When you're flipping devices, you end up taking losses, okay? You end up taking losses. And if you feel like you're not gonna take no loss and you flipping phones, okay, go ahead. I hear you. You know, I took so many losses, I lost so much money, but that's the cost of being a boss. You know what I mean? Here's the thing. You're going to make mistakes, and it's just about learning from the mistakes, learning from the mistakes that you will make, knowing the mistakes that you won't make or you shouldn't make. This is a mistake that you should not make, but I did, you know. If I would have given it a regular price, I would have had a little bit more money. But instead, I went off of sympathy, and I'm just so agitated with myself. But I won't I ain't gonna dwell in it. Like after this video, I'll be over it and I'll be back to, you know, getting this money. So I wanted just to stop by and let you guys know an experience that happened with me, and we all gotta learn from it. And I hope you guys can learn from my mistakes so you guys don't have to go through it. But again, if you guys are looking for any type of wholesale products, go to 365plug.com and go get your products, man. Sign up and get wholesale pricing. No, I cannot give you one product for tier 3 pricing. I can't do that. I cannot do it. It's a business, and we have to understand that when we are acting as our own boss and being our own bosses, we gotta realize, like, it costs to be a boss, and we have to handle our business the right way, you know. So do your due diligence and work on your extra income. Don't let nobody tell you can't do nothing, man. Let that money work for you. I appreciate you guys for taking the time out with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.